Got some seeds I picked up from the international market. Saw these out the corner of my eye, said I had to get them. This right here is spinach, and I believe this is like an Asian spinach. This right here is spring cabbage. White Swiss chard. These are hybrid, didn't want hybrid, but this is a radish, purple radish. It's called Sweet Baby. Here's another hybrid. This is the eggplant. This is the Asian black eggplant. This is your typical red leaf. And here's another form of a red leaf. I think this is called Shriek. Shriek. Not Shrek, but Shriek. Asian seeds.